I wish you a very happy, prosperous, healthy and wealthy new year to you and your family. Students, as we know that everybody says year 2020 is very bad. I know this is very bad due to pandemic, but this year also very good for us, because in this year we have learned how to use our mobile and computer, laptop for your online study. Because earlier you are using your mobile and earlier we are using mobile, computer and laptop only for chatting with friends, relatives and playing games. Now we all knows the importance of mobile, computer and laptop for your study. Students, hope all things will be all right in this year and we will enjoy our classroom study as soon as possible. Now we will start preparation for our final examinations. Let's start. Now we will revise the switch case program also. Using the switch statement, write a menu driven program for the following. This is pattern 1 and this is the pattern 2. For an incorrect option, an appropriate error message should be displayed. First we will write import java util now class name pattern curly bracket star public static void main string args curly bracket int ch system out println. First we will enter the choice, enter 1 for pattern 1 and enter 2 for pattern 2. Because ch is in integer, so that data type will be also in integer data type. Now switch ch, we can take in place of ch we can take n also. Curly bracket, first we will write case 1 for this. Int I and j loop, I for row and j for column. I started from 1, I less than and equal to 5 and I plus plus, because we are using 5 lines are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are here, 1 rows and this is the 5th row. So that we have taken I till 5. Now curly bracket for j is started from 5 and j greater than 0, j minus minus, because we are starting j from 5 and it will be last till, because columns are decreasing, so that we will take j for column. System out println, we will write j value here, then blank space will be here. It will be displayed the column in descending order and rows in ascending order. Then curly bracket break. Now case 2. In case 2 we are taking string ICSC, so that string str we will take. In L for length of the string and I, this is small I for column, I for row and j for column. System out println, enter the character, then we will write the data type of that character. Then we will find the length of the string. For I is started from 0, I less than L, because it will be going on till length. I plus plus curly bracket for j started from 0, j less than and equal to 1. Sorry, L, j less than and equal to L, then j plus plus, because in this j column are increasing not decreasing, so that j plus plus. System out println str char at j say we are finding the character from the j loop. Then system out println, it is for arranging the character in ascending order of the column. Now curly bracket close break, because there are only 2 cases, so that break, then default system out println incorrect choice will be printed, display the incorrect choice. Curly bracket close, we can display wrong choice also, incorrect choice also, as you want. Now you will write the variable description also. Now we will start some questions based on the output. First question, what will be the output of the following program segment? These are the program. Suppose there are string s application, then this is the int p we will print int p is equal to s index of a, and system out println the value of p and the in next p plus s. In first the answer will be 0 because when we will index of started from, we are counting 0, 1, 2, 3. It in A, index of A, it is started from 0, so that we will write 0 here. Position of A will be 0, so that we will write 0 here. In that P, 0 means P value will be 0 plus S. S value will be application, so that 0 application will be here. Hope you all understood. Now next string str program. Next string is program in capital letter. Now system out println st index of st char at 4. At 4 it will be index of. First we will st char at 4. First we will find the char at 4. What is the character of char at 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is r only. Then st index of, it is a index of r, means what is the value of r in this index. In st char at 4, here is r, and or second position of r is on first 0, 1, so that answer will be 1 here. Hope you all understood. Fourth, char at 4, r is here. First we will find the char at 4, r, but that we will find index of r. First it is not asking that r which ending on fourth position. No, it is asking only for r, so that first r will be on first position, so that the first answer will be 1. Now next question, int a is equal to 0, and you will find int a is greater than 0, or this is and a less than 20. These are two cases, a greater than 0 and a less than 20. Now a plus plus means the value of a will be plus plus is going on, means a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus, else a minus minus. Now you will print system out println a. If we are finding a greater than 0, that it a plus plus became 1. Answer will be 1. So or next condition, a is less than 20, means a is equal to 20, and we will minus 20. A less than 20 means a is equal to 19. So that if we are finding 19 minus 20, then answer will be minus 1. In here we are finding 20 minus minus, means answer will be 19 here. Here 1 will come, but here 19. But 19 is less than 20, means 20 minus 19 will become 1. Sorry, 19 minus 20 will become minus 1. The answer will be minus 1. Now next, int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 0. These are the three value, a 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 0. If a is greater than b, this is or. This is not and, this is or, means only one we will take from this or this. If a is equal to a is greater than b, or a is not equal to b, then you will find the value of c, means c is equal to plus plus a plus minus minus b, means the value of a became a plus plus, value or a became 6, then plus minus 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 minus. Now c is equal to a plus plus a, means a became 6, because 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 means minus minus b, 2 minus 1. Now 6 plus 1 became 7, so that c is equal to, now first value will be c will be print here 7, then a became 6, so that value will c here, and b became 1, because 2 minus 1 became 1, so that 7, 6 and 1 will be the output of this question. Now what are the values of x and y when the following statement are executed? These are the value, int a is equal to 63 and b is equal to 36. Now you will write the first answer will be boolean type. Boolean type means true or false, and second answer you will write in integer type. Boolean x is equal to A greater than B, means A value is 63. Yes, A greater than B. So that you will choose the, if value will be true, you will choose first option. If value will be false, then you will choose the second option. So that A is greater than B means 63 is greater than 36. It is true. The answer will be true of first statement. Then in next, int y is equal to A less than B. A less than B means the value of A is less than from the value of B. This is wrong because the value of A is greater than the value of B. So that this is false. This is false. And you will write the value of B. B value will be 36. So that 36 will be the answer. If the statement is true, then you will choose the first option. If the statement will be false, then you will choose that second option. Second option is B and the value of B is 36. So that answer will be 36. Now output will be true for this statement, and for this statement this answer will be 36. State the value of N and CH. Char C is equal to capital A. Now int N is equal to C plus A means the value A C plus 1 means A plus 1 became B, capital B. Now in char C there are two type of value will be print. C is equal to means ASCII code value of capital A is 65 equal to 65. So that 65 plus 1 became 66. This answer will be 66. And here CH is equal to char N. Char N became 66 and 66 is the value of capital B. So that the answer will be capital B because this value is integer type. So that 66 and this value will be char type. So that capital B will be here. Now this is the next question. Give the output of the following program segment. Double X is equal to 2.9 and Y is equal to 2.5. System out println math minimum. First you will find minimum value will be the answer. But first you will change maths.floor x comma y. Maths floor dot means floor value will be the less value from that one value means the floor value of 2.9 will become 2.0 and the value of 2.5 will become 2. That is the means y will become 2.5. Only x will be become floor value. So that the minimum value will be 2.0. The value of x will become 2.0. In next question, maximum value will be find. Maths dot sale value. Sale means ceiling value. Sale means ceiling. Means increasing from one value here. X increasing value will become 2.9 became 3.0 and y is equal to 2.5. So that the maximum value will be 3.0. Now first statement minimum value will be 2.0. The value of x will become 2.0 and the next value will become math sale 3.0. State the output of the following program segment. There is one string s is equal to examination. Int l is equal to s dot length. You will find the length here. In first system out println s dot char starts with s dot substring 5 comma n. The value first you will find the value of the position of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is on fifth position. Now you will tell this is the s starts with n means the this string will start from n. No, this will start from e. So that the first statement will be false. In second system out println s dot char at 2 is equal to s dot char at 6. You will find the char at 2. Char at 2 value will become char at 2 0, 1, 2 a. And is on 6 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means char at a is equal to char at 6. Yes, this is true. By mistake I have written here. This is true value. This is not false. This is not false. This is true. This will be true. Because 0, 0, 1, 2. This is A, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 6. A is equal to A. Yes, this is A. Both are equal, so that value will be true, not false. Now next question. State the data type and values of A and B after the following segment. Suppose we have two string here, S1 computer and S2 application. First you will A S1 compare to S2. Now data type of A, and in A is int and for B is boolean. The data type, first we will take A you will find in int and B you will find in boolean. So that in int S1 compare to S2 means first you will write the A, so A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5, false. Why? Because first you will compare this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here, and here 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is here, and these are 8 and this is 12. If you will do that, compare to S1 to S2 means computer, there are 8 character and there are 12 character. 12 minus 8 will become 12. No, this is not, by mistake I have written 4 here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are here, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are here. So that 11 minus 7 will become A is equal to 4. In integer value A is equal to 4, and in B S1 equals S2 means computer equal to application. No, this is not equal. Boolean value will be false. What will be the following code output? Suppose here is a string S is equal to Malayalam. Now system out println S dot index of M means you will find the value of M. 0, 1 means the value of M is here and the place of index of is only 0. So that answer will be, this answer will be 0, and next is system out println S dot last index of M. Now you will find the last index of M. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last is the index is on M is 8. So that answer will be 8 here. Now next question, rewrite the following program segment using while instead of for statement. Int f is equal to 1 and I, this is I. For I is equal to 1, I less than and equal to 5, I plus plus. This is the for loop, curly bracket. Now this is the factorial f multiply is equal to I. Then system out println f. This is statement written in for loop. Now you will change it into, and you will write in while loop. In while loop first you will write int f is equal to 1 so that it is given, and int I is equal to 1 because I started from 1 so that it will be also 1. Now while I less than and equal to 5, because in while we are writing how many times the loop will be executed. It will be executed only 5 times, so that we will write I less than and equal to 5, then curly bracket. Now the message which the output which we are doing, f multiply is equal to I. This is I, this is small I. By mistake I have written this is small I. Okay. Now system out println, here we are printing f, so that we are printing f. Now I plus plus is going on, so that we will write I plus plus, curly bracket close. This is the for loop and this is the while loop we are using. Hope you all understood these programs and the output of these programs. You will prepare these output. This type of output will also come in your computer applications exam. This is the theory part. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Good luck for your preliminary examination. Thank you.